Subscribe to PyPro Tricks for Python and competitive programming and Bootstrap Station for technical videos. Today we are going to find the position of first 0, that is the reset bit from left side. So if we take 230 as an example here, the binary representation is this one, 11100110. And if we mark the positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the output must be 4. Fourth bit is the 0 from left side, the first 0, right? So that is what we are going to find out. So this must be the output of our program. So the approach we are going to use in this problem is a bit complicated, you can say, but I will make it easy for you. So we are going to use AND operator for this, the AND bitwise operator. All right. And we also have to count bits to represent number. Okay. So we need these two things, and we will be creating a mask also, which will be used in the AND operator, which is to be used in AND operator. All right. So let us proceed with it. First of all, count bits to represent a number. You can find the video in description. I will be just copying and pasting the code to make it easy for this video. So here I have the function to count the number of bits to represent a given number. Like 230 we have 8 bits to represent the number starting from 0 to 7. And now if we run this function count bits on 230, we get 8 as the answer, right? So we have 8 number of bits. So now when you have the number of bits to represent a number, let us proceed further. So this was the binary representation of our number 11100110, and we have 8 bits. Okay, and total bits here are 8 bits. So we will be starting to create a mask from 8 minus 1 bits. Okay, so this will give us 7, and the mask will be 1 left shift by 7. So if we left shift 1 by 7, then what we will be having is 1 will be there on the left side and there will be 7 zeros on right side of it. You can see 3 plus 3 plus 6 and 1 7. So we have a total of 7 zeros after 1 on the right side. So this is the mask we are going to use, and now we do an AND operation with it, and the result comes out to be 1 here, because this bit is 1 and both bits are 1. So that is why we are getting the answer as 1, which means that the leftmost bit is 1, which is not our answer. We want to get to this 0, right? So now what we are going to do is decrease the value of 7 to 6. Now it will become 6, and our mask, so let me mark it, this was the 1th step. Okay, now we are going to 2th step, where our mask will become 1 left shift by 6, because we decrease the value to 6 from 7, and the number remains same. 233 is equal to 11100110, and our mask is 6 zeros on the right side and a 1, and there are a lot of zeros on the left side. So now if we do an AND operation with 230 and our new mask, we are going to again receive a 1, and all others are zeros. So you can see the number is clearly greater than 0, and these both are 1 in the vertical line, so that is why we are getting the 1 after AND operation. So now also we haven't got a 0 here, so we move to the 3th step and we decrease this 6 to 5 by subtracting 1 from it. And now again the same number 230, 111, 0 0, 111 0. But now this time our mask becomes 5 zeros on the right side and a 1 after that, because we have a 5 and we got this by 1 left shift 5, right, and a lot of zeros on the left side. So now if we perform an AND operation, still we are getting 1 because we have 1 in this vertical line. So now again we decrease the value of 5 to 4 by subtracting 1 from it, and this time we are going for the 4th step. So as usual 230 remains same, 111, 00, 110, and this time our mask becomes 4 zeros on the right side and a 1, and we have a lot of zeros on the left side. So we got this mask by 1 left shift by 4 places from this, right? And now if we do an AND operation between these two, we get, as you can see, we have different values in this vertical line. These are not same, I mean these are not 1. So the answer comes out to be 0, all others are 0. So the final answer is 0 here, which means we can stop now. And our final answer is not 4, but the final answer is the number of bits of number minus the step number. Okay. So if we find, you can see that our final answer comes out to be 8, the number of bits to represent the number, minus 4, which gives you 4 as the answer. And you can also see, if we write the binary representation of the number 111, 00, 110, and let us mark them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that we have 0 at the 4th place, and this is the first 0 from the left side. So 4 is the answer. We can use one more thing rather than using this subtraction to find out the first position of 0 from the left side. What we can do is just start the step from number of bits minus 1, and when we did these left shift operators, we can use step right here. It will be more clear when we code it. So let us write the function before this count bits function. Def first reset bit from left side, and we are going to pass the number to it. Let us store the number of bits used to represent this number, and we are going to call the count bits method or function, you can say, and we are going to pass num to it. This variable number of bits stores the number of bits to represent this number you can see right here. So it has 0 to 7, which means 8 bits. So number of bits will store the number 8 now. And let us use this step is equal to number of bits minus 1. So the step will start from 7, which means first we are going to check for the 7th bit, then 6th, 5th, 4th, 3, 2, 1 and 0, so on, like that. And now we are going to go for the while loop, and inside the while loop we are going to run it until num and mask. So we need a mask. Let us create a mask first, because we are using it in the while loop. For the first time we have to create it. So this will be equal to 1 is left shift by step. So in the 1th iteration, you can see that we left shifted 1 by 7. And in the step also we have 7 stored. So the mask will be this one right here. So we have to proceed until num and mask is equal to 1. So the AND operation of num and mask is equal to 1. Until that time we are going to proceed. You can see right here 1, again 1, again 1, and now it becomes 0 in the last step. So that's why we exited from the while loop. This is what this while loop is going to do. And we are going to decrease the step by 1. This is what I was talking about, the start step. So we are going for the 6th bit in the next iteration now. Okay. Hope you are understanding it. And let us update the mask 1 left shift by step. So in the next iteration, the mask becomes 1 left shift by 6, this one right here. And in the end, we can return this step, which is the final position of 0, right? Let us try executing this function now on the value 230 in the first attempt. First reset bit from left side and we pass 230 to it. So we did a mistake here. It must be greater than 0 because all of the numbers that are coming above this step are greater than 0. You can see if we calculate the decimal of this number, it is very greater than 1. So that is why we are getting wrong answer. Now if we execute it, you can see that we have the right answer as 4. So this is the 4th bit where our first 0 lies from the left side. Let us try with some other values. 23 say, so it is 3, and if we check out the binary of 23, you can see here, this is the binary. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. At the 3rd position, we have the first 0 from the left side. So let us say if we have all ones like 127, you get the value error, right? Because it went on. For 127, what has happened? So here is the number 127 and its binary representation is 7 ones. So here we have all of the ones and we don't have any 0. So the step went from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 0 and then -1. That is why we are getting this error here. It says negative shift count, because in this step we are left shifting 1 by negative of 1, which is not the correct format. So let us fix this. So we have to check it before this left shift operator for the mask. If step is equal to -1, then we are going to return -1, which tells us that we don't have any zeros. So now if we execute it, you can see that we have the correct answer -1, which we can use to understand that this number does not have any zeros. So we have successfully fixed this problem also. Now please subscribe to PyProTricks and Boostup Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.